Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing an afro crochet wig for you guys with a lace frontal. So this is the lace what that I got from my local beauty supply store. I'm just pinning that down and it's going to sew that on the wig cap, and I'm going to go ahead and start doing my crochet wig. Before I continue talking, in case you're not subscribed to my channel yet, guys, please push the subscribe button down below and also push the bell button down below so that you get a notification. Guys, I am planning to be uploading 2 videos a week. I don't know if I'm able to meet up with 2 videos a week. I am planning ahead. I'm starting to record. Guys, send me your requests. What would you want me to do? And I know you guys are really interested in my crocheted wigs, and yeah, those ones takes a little time. Like this one is time consuming. In case you have any other request that is quick and simple, please leave a comment down below, let me know. So as you can see here, I'm just going ahead and sew that lace to the wig cap, and I'm just going to go ahead and start crocheting this hair down. First, guys, with the hair that I'm using, one hair was DIY and the other one was bought from the store. I first started with the black hair, but I wanted something different. I always have the same black, brown colored hair, and I wanted some color in my hair, so I decided to put some colors to mix this beautiful wig out. This is an afro wig. Please watch this video to an end. Share this video with your friends and family. Comment, let me know if you like this video, if you want something more of like this, or what you are interested in. And also let me know what else you guys will want me to record next. I have a crocheted wig coming. I've not been able to finish that yet. I'm working on it, and yeah, that will be up very soon. I also have a skincare routine that I did. I just have to I'm sorry, I just had to like edit it and put it up for you guys, and I hope you guys stay tuned. Come back to my videos, always watch them, and watch this video to an end, and you're going to see how this beautiful and amazing and simple this wig looked on me. So what I'm doing here is I'm just crocheting all the hair through the net. You want to leave space because the space that I left was not enough, and this hair was so full. It was really full. So what you want to do, if you don't want it this full, you want to give more space before you crochet the hair. So this part was the hair that I got from Nigeria. This hair was brought for me from Nigeria, and because it was all black, I got all black from this hair. I think I had something similar before that was red and brown, but I don't have them no more. And this time they brought me all black, and I did wanted the hair to be all black. I just wanted something like some colors on it, so I went ahead and crocheted, and like I did my own crocheted weave, like crochet hair, and I have a video of that posted on my channel. You guys can go back and watch it. So, and I'm just going to go ahead to use that one, the crochet hair that I DIY myself. I'm going to put that at the front. I should have started putting this at the front, but yeah, I still like the outcome of this hair. You guys are going to see how puffy, how beautiful and full and big, and I just love that it was really full. It's like something that you can rock when you're going to a party, and I like afro. And yeah, this was a very simple tutorial. So please watch this video to an end. Let me know if you like videos like this. Let me know this hair look good on me, and let me know if you will wear something like this out, and where would you wear this hair to. So I'm going to let you guys finish watching this tutorial, and I will see you guys at the end.
smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 Faded in this dark and smoky room, with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but I don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah. Run free, so I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore